Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. Today I will be showing you how I made these DIY shea butter and coconut oil for your hair. So stay tuned and keep watching. In my video I have shea butter, coconut oil, lemongrass and I have lavender oil. All is written on the screen. So the first step I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking my shea butter into my bowl. Then after that I'm gonna add in my coconut oil. Feel free to use less or more of which quantity you want. I'm just adding in my coconut oil at this moment. I am gonna be listing the benefits of every oil I put in my Sheabutter DIY into my description box below. And now I'm putting my hot water into my bowl at this present moment. That hot water is gonna melt the Sheabutter. Do not force it, it's just gonna melt by itself. Leave it to melt naturally, because when it melts naturally then you can actually whisk your Sheabutter DIY. At this moment I'm just adding in like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is organic coconut oil, so make sure you are buying the organic coconut oil. You can get it online or in any store of your choice. So I'm adding in my coconut oil for that flavor, like that scent, so now my shea butter DIY is melting inside my hot water. Just still leaving more to melt, and now it's finally melted. I didn't even do anything to it. I just left it into my hot water bowl to melt. At this moment it is melted. I'll put it in the freezer for a while. So when I finish putting inside the freezer for a while, that is the point I'm gonna be whisking it after. That is it. I didn't freeze it like too much. I've just fixed it a little bit so that it can be easy for me to whisk into my shea butter DIY. So this is the point where I'm gonna be whisking it. I'm gonna be whisking it now, and I'm gonna whisk it onto like the desired texture I want. I'm just whisking it now. I'm gonna whisk it until like it's like properly white. So this is the point. I'm just gonna keep whisking, whisk until I get my desired quantity, until I get my desired texture. After I have my desired texture, that's when I'll be adding in all the oil I'm gonna put inside. I'm gonna be adding in my olive oil, my lavender oil, my lemongrass oil, and so I've whisked it up to like halfway now. This is when I'm gonna be putting in my oil into the bowl now at the moment. So now I am putting in my oil. So that is my lavender oil. I'm putting 10 drop. All of the oil I've used is just on the screen, and the measurement, that is lavender oil. You can get it online or any store, but make sure you're buying organic one. And this is extra virgin olive oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons into my shea butter DIY because olive oil is good. It does moisturize the hair, it gives the hair shine, and is really good for the hair. And I'm gonna be adding in my lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is really good for the hair. It grows the hair, gives the hair strength and all that. I'm gonna be listing the benefits of all this oil in my description box below. So when you click on my video under the description, you'll be seeing the benefits of all this oil there. That is why I'm putting into my shea butter mix, my shea butter DIY, and that is my sunflower oil. The reason I'm putting all of this because they are beneficial for the hair, and so that my shea butter can actually give me the benefits I actually want. So I'm just whisking it more now. I'm just gonna whisk it more, whisk it more at this moment. And after that, that is the point where I'm gonna just be putting into my jar. You can buy your jar online, on eBay, on Amazon. You can google it up, you can see it online. And after which I'll get my desired texture, I will just be putting into my jar. So that is it for the my shea butter DIY. It is really really good for the hair. You can use it on your hair, your natural hair. It does moisturizes the hair. Shea butter is really good. I'm gonna be listing the benefit of all this in into the description box. You can use it for your hair. This is just your own DIY hair cream. You know what you're putting on it and you know the benefits. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and please do leave your comments down below. Leave your comment to tell me what you think of this video. If you want more of this video, let me know. Or if there's any video you want me, anything you're struggling with your hair, if you want me to do any video on it, just leave your comments in the comment section. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye. Hi, this is the end result of my shea butter when it's done. You see how it looks like. Very soft. It's very soft. You can use it on your hair, you can use it underneath your cane roll, on your scalp. You can even use it on your body as well. See how nice it looks like, especially during those winter days when you've got when your body is dry. It's so easy for you to rub beneath. Just before I continue, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to share, and don't forget to comment down below what you think of my video. In future, I'll be making this shea butter into a conditioner, and I'll be using it as I'm gonna be making it into a body cream, because this one has got lemongrass on it and all kind of things I don't really want to use on my body. But I'm gonna be showing you how to make it into your body cream in future. And that is it. Mainly that's the shea butter. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I will see you in my next video.